Want to start a car with just a clap? Want to stop the car by clapping? Hi, I am Manish Gupta and welcome to Cybersock. In this video, we are going to make clap control car. Clap control car uses sound sensor to hear sounds in its surroundings. When there is a clap, it starts moving. When there is another clap, it stops moving. Let's build our robot. Alright everyone, now it's time to build our robot. Today we will be using Cybersock's Robot Kit 2.0 step by step from scratch. This kit is specially designed for make robotics fun, simple and hands-on. So your kid can learn robotics and programming. Assemble your car using Cybersock's car assembly manual. First connect our USB to our brain. Now let's connect other end of the USB to our computer. First plug right motor 2-pin cable to RM port and left motor 2-pin cable to LM port. Now connect 3-pin cable to sound sensor and other end of the 3-pin cable to analog port. Now place the plate and put sound sensor here. Let's understand flowchart of this program. We are starting our program. We are attaching sound sensor to our brain. We are initializing is car moving variable. We are reading analog sound sensor values from sound sensor. If sound value is greater than 400, we are toggle is car moving. If is car moving is true, we will start the car. If it's false, we will stop the car and repeat this process again. Let's move forward to understand program logic of our robot. Let's open up our Google Chrome and search Cybo Socks and hit enter and visit cybersource.com. On the top panel, as you can see, we have block editor. What was the first step of our program? Yes, attaching sound sensor to our car. Let's go to pins and sensor. Pick get analog sound sensor block. Right, sound. Now what? Yes, initializing is car moving variable. Go to variables and string. Pick create variable block. Go to variables and string. Pick value block. Right is car moving and set it to false. Go to method logic, pick boolean block and put false. Now what? Yes, we are going to start an infinite loop and start reading values from sound sensor. Go to control, pick while do block. Go to method logic, pick true block. This is creating infinite loop. Go to variables and string, pick create variable block. Go to variables and string, pick value block. Write sound value. Go to ASP logic, pick read analog LDR value block, write sound because our pin name is sound. Now what? Yes, we are going to check if sound value is greater than 4. So we can toggle our is car moving variable. Go to control, pick if block. Go to operators, pick comparison block. Choose greater than, duplicate sound value, put it here, duplicate again, put it here, write 400. Now go to variables and string, pick change variable value block is car moving. Now go to operators, pick not block, duplicate is car moving and put it here. Now next what? Yes, we are going to check if is car moving is true, we will start moving our car, otherwise stop. Go to control, pick if block, click on wheel icon, pick else and put it beneath if. Now go to operators, pick comparison block, choose equal to, duplicate is car moving, duplicate true. Now go to car actions, pick set left motor right motor block. For going forward, the left motor block is set to clockwise and right motor set it to clockwise. For else, go to car actions, pick stop both motor block. Go to time, pick wait block and write a little delay. Now our program is completed. Click on connect brain, choose USB serial, click on connect. After connecting successfully, click on run code. Now compare flowchart with our program. We are starting our program. We are attaching sound sensor to our brain. To achieve this, we are using get analog sound sensor block. We are initializing is car moving variable to false. We are initializing is car moving variable to false. We are reading sound analog value from sound sensor. To achieve this, we are using read analog value block. Then if sound value is greater than 400, we are toggle is car moving. We are toggling is car moving using not block. If is car moving is true, we are moving forward. Otherwise, stop the car. If is car moving is true, we are moving forward. Otherwise, we will stop the car. Then we are repeating this process again. Great job! Now you have understood how to start a car by using clap or how to stop a car by using clapping. You can also make start and stop line following car by using clap. Open documentation, click on projects and search clap. You will find line follower car stop and start by clap. You can make this advanced project by yourself. If you have understood how to use sound values to operate our car, then please subscribe our channel and like this video.